Along with the new classic colors, Victorinox also released these new carrying cases for the classic colors. And so they have a silicone one, which is, best way to describe it is similar to hand sanitizer, where you would just slip it right in. This is the headphones. They also made one where it was molded with crown or unicorn or cow or skateboard, and they all come in different colors. And they also released a leather one, which comes in the black. I grabbed the black. They also had a tan and a gray. Ooh, this is pretty nice. I didn't realize this was on a lanyard type of thing. I thought it was going to be on a key ring like the others. Let's get these out of the way. And I also have the old style, just vinyl slip case that sometimes you get classics with. When I pick them up used, I'll have some of these with them. So I really just wanted to compare to see how different ones fit in here. And so this is the leather, black leather, long lanyard. So you could wear this around your neck if you wanted to. You could also unloop this and just put a key ring on it if you want to carry it on your keys. They also, and this guy, like I said, just slips right in. And it has just a little clip on. So I do have my new Desert Warrior. So as you can see, the fits in snug. The problem I had with these cases in the past is that they tend to slide off when you're carrying them on your keys. The cases always get lost. So this is the leather is a really tight fit in there for the plastic scaled Swiss Army nut, the classics. And this guy, let's see here, just roll it in. This is also a nice tight fit. This is probably the most secure because it's not really coming out of there unless you unroll it out. So that's actually really nice. But I also wanted to see if how these guys fit with some other models. So this is one of the new colors. So this case might have already been kind of form fitted for a classic due to age, but it is a little loose with the Alox Classic. The leather is still really nice, really tight fit. You can still pull it out nicely. And this guy, it's still a good fit. It is a little bit looser than the Celador Scaled Classics, but it is a really nice fit. So we do have that. Alright. I have Alox Mini Champ, one of the Facebook groups I'm in. This is what it was from. So obviously it doesn't fit in this without potentially breaking it. I don't have a Rambler. So the 3-layered one where it has the Phillips and the combo tool and scissors along with a file and everything. I don't have one of those handy, so we're gonna have to try this. Obviously it wouldn't fit in the leather one. It was still super tight. It does look like it may fit in here. And it does. That is really cool, really impressive that the plastic one will fit in there. Will take a little convincing, but it will wrap around, which is really exciting. So you can actually fit an Alox Mini Champ in there. I don't know if we can go bigger with a plastic scaled Mini Champ, but it is worth a shot. We shall see. But mainly these guys appear to just be usable for the classics. Might be Yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to squeeze a Rambler in there. So but this guy, what about this guy? So this is Mini Champ, plastic scale, the one that you can normally buy. One of the thicker Celador ones. Obviously it will sort of fit, not really. I wouldn't trust it. So yeah, mainly just the classics, but that is a common pattern, so you can get them in pretty much any scale pattern you'd like, even the donut, or any of the new colors that just came out. I picked these guys up from my dealer from Bow and Oak Knives, so I'll include a link in the description to his Facebook group where he puts out all of his deals and everything, and maybe you can grab some too. Or yeah, the headphones are pretty cool. I think my wife will end up with these guys. That's pretty sweet. And this is probably one of the best things, because I always hated losing these slip cases. So this is really nice, really good, and just fun to play with. See you guys the next time. Bye-bye.